Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimal from How to Geek, and in today's guide video I am going to show you how you can redeem your Jetblue points on your Jetblue account whilst you're trying to book a flight or book a vacation or something else. But before we get started, if you are new to this channel, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and without any further ado, let us start with the video. So the process of redeeming your Jetblue points on your browser is actually really simple. What we want to do is we want to simply open any of the browser which you have on your desktop, your mobile device, or anywhere, depending upon whichever device you have. In the search box, you need to go ahead and type in redeem Jetblue points. We don't want to directly go to the website. You can simply type in redeem Jetblue points right over here. Once you enter redeem Jetblue points here, you'll be able to see the first link which says using points right over here, which is called Jetblue. So you want to simply go ahead and tap on Jetblue. Then you want to wait until the home interface of the website has loaded up. Now here you can see the option called using points, no blackout dates, no kidding, use Trueblue points for any seat on any flight. What we want to do is scroll down over here which says redeem for Jetblue flights, use your points to land great one-way and round-trip award flights to your favorite Jetblue destinations with absolutely no blackout dates. You can also see while redemption levels vary, the amount of points a certain trip requires is directly tied to our current fares, and when flights are lower, so are award flight point fares. When searching for your next travel adventure, just select points instead of dollars. Then you can go ahead and tap on the redeem now button. Now here you want to select a flight, and you want to make sure you have checked on the option called use Trueblue points right over here, and you want to search for a flight or your destination which you want to do and tap on explore fares. Now instead of selecting on dollar, you would go ahead and tap on Trueblue points. You can be successfully able to use your Jetblue points on your Jetblue account whilst trying to book a flight or anything like that. So in this way you can really easily redeem your Jetblue points on your Jetblue account. We hope that this guide video was really helpful to you, and if it did help you, then make sure to smash that like button as well as subscribe. If you have any more questions regarding this, also make sure to leave them down under the comment section. As always, thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial. See you soon in our next video.